Okay, so let's get started. While I'm opening this, I want to tell you a little bit about my paper box. You have a couple of different options for your subscription service. This is $10 a month. I'm going to pop it up on your screen so that you can see. You guys, I love this stationery service. I absolutely love it. So let's once again take a quick look at the website. I wanted to show you the new stuff that's coming up for the holidays. If you look right here, you see we have photo magnets, different types of photo magnets. Of course, we have Christmas cards, holiday cards. All of that is on the page, and you are able to order them. I say now, I'm telling you now in September, so we can be ready for Christmas, because nobody has time to do their Christmas cards in December. So do them now. That way, when it comes time to mail them out, you are done before the hectic holiday season. I also wanted to show you, do you see these large weekly and monthly notepads? Do you see them? I love planners, I absolutely love them. So let's click on this first one. Now I have several different planners. This one would sit on my desk. One would sit on my kitchen counter and one would sit on my desk. Also, this weekly planner, the one on the left with the polka dots, that would be great to take with you when you're traveling. So maybe you need to keep track of what you're doing day by day. That's a great one to take with you. But what I like these for, like I said, the one on the right will sit on my desk, so that I have the month at a glance right in front of me. I have my list of everything that's going on and important calendar appointments. When I need further detail, then I can dive into my planner or look in my digital planner, whatever the case may be, where my notes may be for that specific event. But for this to sit on my desk and help keep me on task is something I really like. I really, really like that. We were sent one very similar in another box another month from the Grand, and no, I think it was the Grand, and I really like it. And the weekly planner is really nice. You can put anything you want on there. Maybe your meal plan, maybe your grocery list and meal plan, whatever you would like. I just think that's a really great option. All right, so let's go back to everything. I just want to remind you, let's slip through these very quickly. Look at all the different ones. I love the one that says Scarlet with the jar on it. I love that. Look, you can even purchase them individually. Look at the different weekly planners and the different options for the monthly planners. So she has lots of great choices. So whatever your preference, she has something for you. Oh my goodness, from the desk of Megan, look at that. And then of course the t-shirts. I don't want to forget about the t-shirts. It's something I really, really love. I have every intention of ordering a shirt. I just haven't gotten around to it yet, but I definitely want to. I'd like one that says Life with Favor, of course. So, oh, look at this one. Now, I've talked about this type before, the daily planner. That is so helpful for someone like me. I like to write things down. I really like that daily planner. All right, let's go back. So here we go. And you see, there are just so many different options of items that she offers in the shop. So your monthly subscription box is just a taste of what she has to offer. So I just wanted to show you this to you one more time, just so you could see and know all the different options she has. Okay, so, all right, back to this month's box. You guys, I'm so excited about what's in here. Aha! There we go. This month's inspiration is in celebration of Comic Book Day. Break out those colored pencils, crayons, and markers and create your own story. Wednesday, September 25th is Comic Book Day. That's awesome. Okay, all right, so. Oh, you guys who like to doodle when you're on the phone, you're gonna love these. You're gonna, oh, this is so cute. Look at that one. Oh, I love that. I really like that. That's really cool. Okay, that's gonna go in my purse. Yep, I like that one. Look at this one. That one's really cute. This one's coming with me on the trip this coming week, next week. That's coming with me. I like to bring a new, different one every single time we travel and leave notes. I've told you this before. I leave notes for my room steward, for housekeeping, for hotel staff, anybody. I leave notes for them on personalized stationery like this. That way they know where it comes from, who I am, you know, who am I? And there you go. Maybe they keep their notes. Who knows? Anyway, I just like for them to feel a little special and appreciated, because they work really hard for us, and I want to make sure they know I appreciate it. So there you go. That's really cute. It's really cute. You see the TV and the very classic comic book. Wham, bang, crash, pow. That's awesome. That is so awesome. You can color this in. Nice stress reliever to color. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, you guys, there you go. You guys know I love this paper. I love my paper box. You know I love it. I absolutely love it. I love Samantha. I really appreciate being part of this with her. She's growing, her company is changing, and it's absolutely amazing, and I'm so happy I get to be a part of it. I feel very special for that. Samantha and I bonded, as I've told you before, both growing up in the printing industry, so this is very special to me. All right, you guys, I'm gonna leave everything for you in the description box. I hope you will go check out my paper box. Go get yourself some personalized stationery. Treat yourself. Again, great as a graduation gift. I can't stress that enough. Graduation, starting in a dorm, get a new job, anything like that. It's nice to have something that has you written all over it. Special for you, or special for your friend, or your child, or your sister, or your brother, or your cousin, or your aunt, or your uncle, anybody. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.